How about a nice Hawaiian punch? Yep, it's a beverage that we remember from our childhoods. And wow, is it heavy. I remember it being in a can. Well, I'm using Hawaiian Punch and making a Hawaiian Punch Cake. I'll also learn a little history along the way. Thanks for joining me here on Jim's Kitchen. Let's do this thing. Grab a bowl. We need to start with the box of white cake mix. Hawaiian Punch got its start in the 1930s. It was created by 3 friends in a garage, and it wasn't a beverage. They created an ice cream topping that was very thick, and it was called Leo's Hawaiian Punch, and it was all the rage at the parlors. A small package of French vanilla instant pudding mix. And it was in 1946 they turned the concept of Hawaiian Punch from an ice cream topping to a beverage. 1 cup of Hawaiian Punch. The Hawaiian Punch mascot came out in 1962. The mascot is Punchy. He's changed a bit over the years. The original Punchy looked like this. That thing on his head, people always thought that was his hair. Well, you know what? It's not his hair. It's a straw hat. I need 4 eggs. Right in the bowl. The most famous flavor of Hawaiian Punch is this one, Fruit Juicy Red. And it actually consists of 7 fruit flavors. Apple, pineapple, orange, papaya, passion fruit, guava, and apricot. And a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. I'm gonna mix this on medium for 4 minutes. In the original SeaWorld, they had a Hawaiian Punch village, and people were entertained by an animatronic Punchy with some animatronic animals too, sea animals. I'm gonna stir in a cup of coconut flakes. I'm pouring that into a pan. I'm gonna bake it in a 325-degree oven for an hour. One final fact. In the 1950s, the government recommended you keep Hawaiian Punch in your nuclear shelter. Cake is done and cooling. Time to make the frosting. I'm going to use about 1/2 block of softened cream cheese, some powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of crushed pineapple. I'm going to mix that together. Time to spread on that frosting. Hawaiian Punch Cake. I am ready for a nice Hawaiian Punch. Let's try it. The moistness is really wonderful. The flavor really packs a punch. And that pineapple in the frosting, you gotta love it. This Hawaiian Punch is a winner. Thanks for joining me here on Jim's Kitchen. See you next time. My doctor said I had the peekaboo disease. Sent me right to ICU.